So we're wrapping it up for day 2. We got much more done than I had anticipated. All the trees down. And I found a buyer for the wood, which is great. I can get rid of all that wood and make some money on it. And then look at this, was an unexpected surprise. All the debris that came off the property, which I thought was going to be piled up there, was pushed out over this ravine here. And I now have an observation deck looking down into Dry Run. I mean, there's one of the stumps all the way down there. There's a couple more of the stumps down there. And there's now a mud cliff. I'm not even sure how close to the edge I should get on this. It'll be interesting to see how weather affects this. If it rains, it gets soft, and there's a landslide into the ravine. But here's the scene by the ravine. Equipment's getting ready to pull out. We got done in 2 days what I thought would be 3, and then some. Dave's loading some firewood. We kept the dead stuff. And here's the site, almost graded out. I got much more front yard than I had anticipated, which is okay. And a driveway that I didn't anticipate. I thought the driveway was going to be over here, which I'll have a secondary driveway. And that's the scene.